Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve question number 10 exercise 7.2 from coordinate geometry chapter. So please share, like and subscribe my channel. The question is find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4 and -2, -1 taken in order. So come to the solution. Let us draw the rhombus ABCD. Coordinates of point A are given as 3, 0. Coordinates of point B given as 4, 5. Coordinates of vertex C given as -1, 4. Coordinates of vertex D given as -2, -1. Now in order to find the area of a rhombus, we have to know the formula of area of rhombus given by half product of its diagonal. This formula you have to learn. What is the area of a rhombus? Half into product of its diagonal, which I can write as half into AC diagonal into BD diagonal. So your formula is like this, half AC into BD. So you have to learn this formula in order to do this question. Now to find AC distance and BD diagonal distance, we will make use of distance formula which you are already familiar with. So if I find the distance AC, what I will do, this is your distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. Now the 3, 0 I take as x2, y2 -1, 4 I take as x1, y1. So AC diagonal के लिए I use the formula x2 minus x1 whole square will give you 3 minus -1 whole square. 3 minus bracket small bracket में -1, this is whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square 0 minus 4 whole square, and this is square root. Rest is calculation. This gives you minus into minus gives you plus. So 3 plus 1 whole square plus this gives you -4 whole square. Next step, square root. 4 square plus 16. 16 plus 16 square root 32. Factorize it. 16 into 2 square root. 16 square root 4 will come outside the square root sign. So 4 root 2. So this is the diagonal AC 4 root 2. So I write in the next step the diagonal AC comes out to be 4 root 2. Now let us find the second diagonal length. So I have drawn the figure again, rhombus AB. All these coordinates are mentioned here. Now for distance BD, again use the distance formula, square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4, 5 को I consider x2 minus x2, y2. -2, -1 I consider as x1, y1. So substitute the value in this formula. x2 minus x1 whole square will be 4 minus -2 whole square. So I write down square root 4 minus -2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be 5 minus -1 whole square. So 5 minus -1 whole square. This is big bracket over here. So this next step will be 4 minus into minus gives you plus. So 4 plus 2 whole square plus this minus into minus gives you plus. So 5 plus 1 whole square, and of course this is square root. Next step, square root. This gives you 6 square. This gives you 6 square. Next step, square root 36 plus 36 square root 72. इसको आप फैक्टराइज कर दीजिए. दिस विल गिव यू 6 into 6 into 2. So this is already paired. This square root of 36 will come out. 6 will come out outside the square root sign. So you will get 6 root 2. So what is your diagonal BD? 6 root 2. So we have found out both the diagonal AC 4 root 2. Diagonal BD is 6 root 2. Now substitute in the formula. What is the area of the rhombus? Half into diagonal AC into diagonal BD. So half into AC is how much? 4 root 2. BD is how much? 6 root 2. Substituted. Next step में this is 4 into 6 half. 4 into 6 root 2 into root 2 gives you 2. This 2 will get cancelled with this 2. So 4 into 6 gives you 24 square units. So this is the area of the rhombus, 24 square units. This is your answer. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.